Taklani tring besi katal no yasa solene bagi sing joto khatong khajang lejak takute bokusong ang Milton Deberma Joe Martin nibo sinijago tai aba haikeno norni hosting yang paitongo Ramchandra Ghat by Khobjak Khwayo athebari kamyo ang paitongo so sing joto ara phalenai tai Norway baksa sing tring besi katal no yasa solene 21st December. So don't forget to be there at Athaibari. Sing joto arano pal kai malaleye tring besikatal no sing yasak solayen. Pari.
Kulukhan Salkisan Deberma fight on Norway Kwai Athaibari Norway Baksha Tring Bishikatal Palinavagay on 21st of December. So don't miss out. Daki Malinai. Bye.
Hello everyone. I'm Rupesh Deberma. Final 21 December of Haitango Athaibari Amchayo Tring celebration Kaina Baginai. I'm Haitango Jini Achema Hai Bain Bai. So J music lover, music Jadanai Borro, Norong Faine Chingbai, Tring no celebration Kaina Baidi, Maitotok, Tongtotok, Dudum Dadam Ke Faidi Chung Tring no Palalinai, Asunu, Norong Fainata Bogdi, Hambai.